When time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent.
Good morning, everybody. So, it's another day. We are on our way to Port Alberni to go and visit with Bob. And then we are, I don't know. So you'll have to watch and find out, because I don't know what the day holds. It really is a beautiful drive through this area. And I'm loving it even more today because Nana's purring like a kitten now that we got the spark plug wire changed out. So, all in all, we're having a good drive. Alright, well, we just finished gassing up Bob's RV. He's behind us. He's gonna go back over to the Walmart where Patrick's parked. And I'll pick you back up when we get there. Alright guys, well, we made it back to the Walmart. I'm all out of breath. It was literally just running down the road chasing some friggin' idiot that came by telling us we shouldn't be here, you know, go back to wherever you came from. Like, what the frig is this? It's 2020. I'm a Canadian. I have the right to go anywhere in Canada I feel like it. So, yeah. Anyways, I caught up with him, and he probably won't be telling anybody else to go home. So we'll just leave it at that so I don't incriminate myself on YouTube here. But I've had enough of being told to go home, and I'm not the one. I have a very short temper, and yeah, so Bob's gone to get his propane, and everybody else is in their RVs because I think I scared everybody. I go from 0 to 100 in about 1 second, so yeah. Of course, the minute I click, you know, start filming, a friggin' crow has to fly by. Anyways, I think it's time to lose this onesie because I am sweating my ass off now after going for my little run down the road. Precious, you should have been out there helping Daddy. Oh, God, guys. A day in the life, I tell ya. Okay, guys, well, Bob's gone. And it's just Patrick, myself, and Lizzie, who I've yet to introduce you guys to, but we'll get there, I promise. But we're going to leave the Walmart right now. And it's so beautiful out. The sun is actually hot. But we're going to leave the Walmart, and we're going to find ourselves a camp spot. I think we're heading to Sprout Lake Provincial Park. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. So, we'll see, I guess, when we get there. Hopefully there's room for us. She's running perfect now. All right, well, let's go check out this water view. Oh, that sunshine is lovely. Come on, Presh. Houseboats? Where? Oh, over there? Yeah, they do look like houseboats. There's a couple houseboats over there. Precious is in her glory. She's back to drinking that fresh water. Beautiful, beautiful views. Beautiful. Here's some smaller sites. They kind of have a water view. So here's what the sites here look like. That's where I'm over there. But here's another one right here. And they just go all the way down this road. I'm sharing a site with Lizzie so that we only have to pay for one vehicle. Shh, it's a secret. One's just a van. Did you see me wink? Nope, because the sunglasses. Innocent. Lots of sights though. There's someone in that one. But other than us, there is only two. Well, I guess there's only 2 other people. And the 3 of us, so 5 in total. Big, beautiful trees. Not quite as big as the Cathedral Grove, but beautiful nonetheless. Yeah, there's another nice site right there. And now that it's pushing into new November, the rates are only $13 a day, so that's not bad. The sites on the back row seem to be a little bit larger, but even though it's hard to tell on the video footage, the other side where I am, there is at least a bit of a view of the water, but not bad. You know, picnic table, fire ring, can't complain. There's Patrick up there. We're looking to see if anybody left behind any firewood. Patrick found 1 piece of firewood after we walked and looked in every single vacant lot. We came back with 1. But I guess it's better than none. I'm still in awe every time I look around at the trees covered in moss. There's Nana over there. You can see the site is actually quite big. And that's it for dinner. I wolfed it down. I ate chili. And yes, I ate it straight from the pot because it's just one less dish I have to wash.
Just how you roll. Just
how I roll. And no better time. I've been promising you guys I'd introduce you. Yeah, are you sure you don't want to be shoving that food in your face?
Hello.
Mountain Baby Van Life. That's the name of her channel if you guys want to go and check it out. And you probably should. But she's doing veggies. I had chili and an entire thing of crackers because I'm feeling like a pig today. Right, Patrick?
Yeah.
Patrick's always so quiet. Eventually I'll break him. It's like breaking a horse. Precious, are you keeping the bed warm for Daddy? Hmm? Are you keeping the bed warm for Daddy? All right, I'm coming. I'm coming to snuggle. All right, guys, another morning. You can hear I got the generator going because it's freezing and I pretty much killed the batteries overnight running the feet. So we're letting them recharge while we sit here. Say good morning.
How cold it is. I'm in a winter coat from Saskatchewan.
We had to bust out the winter coat. Patrick's in his, what is on the inside of that coat? Like lamb?
Fur.
Lamb's fur? Okay.
Faux fur, probably.
Faux fur, there we go.
Sure.
It's vegan. Anyways, we're figuring out where to head to next because I'm not going to sit at this table all day when it's only 3 degrees out. So, to be continued. And just like that, back on the road. So, we got about an hour's drive back to Parksville, which is where the Rathtrevor Provincial Park is, which I think is where we're headed. But I think I also am going to stop and do laundry along the way. But we'll see what the day brings. I see the sunshine coming out over there. All right, Rathtrevor Beach Provincial Park. Shoot. Nope. I almost forgot which way I had to turn. All right, guys. Well, we did go to the Rathtrevor, but I decided to come back into town and do my laundry first. And there is a lot of it. This basket must weigh 70 pounds or something. I got it all rammed in there, so much. Oh, I hear Patrick's diesel. Well, the laundry's in the dryer, and I'm eating Chinese food while it dries. It's good. None for you, Prash. Even though you're being so patient. Okay, you can have whatever this is. She always manages to get something. It's your lucky day, Prash. Have at her. That's probably why she never eats her dog food. Because I spoil her with everything else. But she's a baby. Okay, the laundry's done, and we're ready to head back to the Rathtrevor Provincial Park. Okay, we're in the park now to find the best parking spot. I'm trying to be as close to the beach as possible. So let's see what we find. Lots of people out for walks. Precious, enough of that. I think maybe right there. And it looks like Patrick's taking the spot right across from us. So let's go outside and see what it looks like. Let's see what the spot looks like. Yeah, that's workable. Well, there it is. There's home for the night. Actually, maybe a few days because it's absolutely beautiful here. Big trees, outhouses, and you can kind of see, well, through the trees, that's the ocean. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be the end of this one. And if you want to see what shenanigans we get into here at the Rathtrevor Beach Provincial Park, then you'll have to stick around and watch the next one. But thanks for watching. Feel free to share the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.